And welcome, MLM Online Champions. Pat McKeon coming at you on this beautiful Tuesday morning from Panama City in Panama. What I'd like to share with you today, champions, is how to speak effectively to your prospects. So look, here's the deal. When you generate a lead, leads are great, right? They're the lifeblood of our business. And without people to speak to, which is impossible in this day and age, but without people to speak to, you don't have much of a business. So the point is, you have generated a lead. Now, what do you do with that lead? Do you call the lead up right away? Do you wait till tomorrow? The point is, what I've seen is that we can generate leads, but then more importantly is, how do you speak to that person effectively and powerfully enough? Well, here's how not to do it. The first thing you don't do is wait until tomorrow to call your lead. Call your lead as soon as they come in. Why? Believe me, it'll be refreshing. Nobody does that. So you will stand out in that manner. Number two, don't start pitching your business and your wonderful compensation plan and your super products. Instead, build a rapport with that person. What does that mean? Well, get into a relationship with them. Oh, you notice they have a 702 area code. Gee, you're from Las Vegas. That's wonderful. What part are you in? Yeah, I've been to Las Vegas. Awesome place. Connect. Find something to connect with the person about. From there, you can ask about their family. Do they have children? Are they married? Are they separated? What do they do for a living? Why did they become a lead in your? Why did they answer your ad or go through your funnel? Find out why. That's very important. Why do they want to start a home-based business? Are they trying to replace a lost income? Are they worried about their future and want a plan B? Dig deep. Find out why they are interested in a home-based business. Once you find out people's why, you now have a path that you can walk down on. You now have a path of asking questions that relate solely to this human being that you're on the phone with. Okay, so there are 5 questions that I'm going to train you on how to effectively ask these 5 questions that will have your prospects naturally wanting to do business with you, whatever your business is, whatever your affiliate is. But these questions will help the client close themselves to working with you. Now, in order for you to get these 5 questions and start mastering them, I want you to click on the link below, and that'll take you to my questions where we can study together how to apply these questions so you can start closing your prospects instead of just generating the leads. It's all about closing, my friends. Always be closing. I will see you later on today. Click on the link below, do it now, and let's get you started in learning how to ask powerful, effective closing questions. You make it a fantastic day, and I am off to see more of Panama City today.